Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to see who blocked you on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Twitter app or launch your Twitter. Then after, make sure your account is logged in from where you want to see who has blocked you. To see who has blocked you, you should know their name. And then after, tap on the search bar. I'll search. Then search over here, go here and search for the user ID that you have been blocked from. Then if you can see their ID, then you have not been blocked. Another way is by using your friend's account and searching for the same person from their account. If you can see their account, then you have been blocked. If you cannot see their ID, then there is high chance that they have deleted their account. So don't worry, you have not been blocked by anyone. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.